Hi, in this video we've got my BMW G650GS. It's got the standard exhaust on it, and then I've swapped the exhaust over to a Remus ROXX exhaust. It's got the standard baffle that comes with the exhaust in there, not the race one. I've got the race one, I might swap it later, but quite honestly it is loud enough. So let's get on with it and listen to the stock exhaust first. Here you can see the exhaust, and you can see on the right hand side it's got black sitting around the edge. That's where the exhaust comes out of. The other side, the left hand side, is like the cassette converter, I believe, so that's just a dead can. No exhaust actually comes out of that. So the exhaust gases come out of the header, up the left hand side of the bike, underneath the seat through that cross pipe that you can see between the two exhausts, and then comes out on the right hand side only. When I put the Remus, it's going to completely remove the right hand side just on the left hand side, meaning I can put a tool tube in there. So this is just a quick time lapse of me removing the old exhaust. Here you can see the stock exhaust in its two halves. It would be rude not to fire the bike up without an exhaust just to see what it listens to, so this is just the header pipe straight out. And now it's time to fit the Remus exhaust. The Remus exhaust is relatively easy to fit, apart from the fact that the instructions are very basic, and I wasn't quite sure how the box goes, but I figured it out. Okay, so now the Remus exhaust is fitted, let's go have a listen to it.
He's so cool, that guy. He's just so cool. That's a bike. No, that's a real bike. Oh, here he is. No, come on. The car went past exactly at the time you went past me. Here he comes with his BMX. Coke can stuck in the spokes.
that's it. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.